Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon zest cookies. First, ensure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Gather your ingredients: 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 5 cups of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 2 fresh lemons for their vibrant zest. Now let's create that perfect cookie dough. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 5 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk your dry ingredients: 5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. It's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each. Bake in your preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. As soon as they come out of the oven, generously sprinkle fresh lemon zest over the warm cookies. This step truly locks in that bright citrus flavor. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. To add an extra layer of lemon flavor, let's make a simple glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. If the glaze is too thick, add a bit more lemon juice, 1 teaspoon at a time, until you reach a smooth, drizzly consistency. Once your cookies are completely cooled, drizzle this delightful lemon glaze over them. Let the glaze set for about 15 minutes, and then your homemade lemon zest cookies are ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.